If you thought that ComptonSpares.com was limited to replacement garage roofs, then you'd be wrong. We're stockists of some of the most high-profile brands of garage door, and in addition, we do provide tailor-made solutions. This Banbury garage causes headaches for some with its unconventional height, but following a thorough survey, a solution was found, which even managed to use the original bolt holes to secure the rigid frame to the concrete posts. This door was specified in a durable anthracite powder-coated finish, a colour which complemented the light grey roof and barge boards, which we installed some weeks before. Extra locking points provided total peace of mind. All the more reason to better buy ComptonSpares.com.